Paperback repairs. All you need is some Permafix adhesive, hinge tape, a brush, binder's knife, a bulldog clip and some backing paper. Begin by scraping the old glue off the spine using the binder's knife. It's important to remove as much of the old glue as possible because the new glue will not stick to the old dried glue. When the spine is clean, spread a liberal amount of Permafix adhesive over the spine area. Use the brush to spread the glue over the entire surface. Close the book and press the contents into the spine. Insert pieces of backing paper inside the front and back covers to prevent the book from being damaged if excess glue seeps out. When the glue is completely dry, use hinge tape to bind the cover to the contents.